Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 156 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page 6 days a week where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read them as well, and we put the lies, the myths, the silly rumors, and we dispel them and answer them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about another dreaded tipping question. This guy needs a favor from Carnival. Why can't I buy the chocolate-covered strawberries without the bottle? Can we make the Platinum Diamond party later in the day? Is the MDR menu the same in Europe as it is stateside?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
Question 1. This cruiser had another dreaded tipping question, as they put it. He's pretty sure this one has been asked before, but it keeps coming up, so he wanted to ask again. They wanted to know who knows that you remove the automatic gratuities from the account. Some folks have said once they've done this, their level of service has gone down on that cruise. And they wanted to know, do they know if you've taken them off? If you prefer to tip in cash, they want to know. John said, with the greatest respect, whoever they are talking about is absolute dribble. Gotta love John and his British terms. Don't know what that means. But he said the crew does not know if you've taken it off until after your cruise and the start of the next cruise. Then they'll see what their gratuities are. I'm pretty sure it doesn't say Miss Smith took off her gratuities either. So it's not going to affect your level of service on that cruise because they see Miss Smith took off her tips. And don't take off your tips. If there's a complaint, talk to guest services. But just like a lot of other people in the service industry, the tips are very much needed and appreciated. So if you have an issue, speak to somebody. That's all. Question 2. This cruiser said he always has more sick time at work than vacation time. They wanted to know if they can go to the ship doctor and get a sick slip that says they can return to work on the Monday after their cruise. Kind of funny. John said, this is kind of funny. But he said if he did that, pretty sure there would be a very, 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 very long line at guest services to get that sick slip. So I don't know why you'd have more sick time than vacation time. Every company is different. But no, they're not going to issue a slip. Sorry. Question 3. This cruiser wanted to know why you cannot buy chocolate-covered strawberries without buying or having to buy a bottle of champagne with it. I'm guessing they're referring to the Fun Shop website, and it offers the strawberries and a bottle of champagne. It's cute. John said you absolutely can. You can order them from the coffee shop or from Cherry on Top once you get on board, and you definitely do not have to buy the bottle of champagne that you see on their website. So if you like just the chocolate-covered strawberries, you can do it once you get on board from the coffee shop or Cherry on Top. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 4. This cruiser asked if Carnival will consider changing the Platinum Diamond party to later in the day. They really liked it better when it was 5 p.m. and it rolled into dinner and a show and made for a great last evening. I don't agree. I think they shouldn't have it on the last day, because on the last day, there's so much stuff you want to get done, stuff you haven't done during the cruise. I think they should move it toward midweek and make it, second, third, fourth day of the cruise. That's just me. Liz is the same way. We got things to do. We got to pack. We got this. And we enjoy going to the party, so you're going to spend an hour, hour and a half there, and it kind of takes away from the last day in our opinion. John said the schedule for this is different on every ship. They have to schedule it around the other ship events. So it may not be the same time on every ship, obviously. So yeah, just look at your ship. But I still would not, most of them have it on the last day. I would like it before then. That's just me. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if the MDR is the same for European cruises. Is it as it is then all the other ships, like the Caribbean stateside, if you will? John said, yeah, for the most part, it will be. So they used to do regional favorites or local favorites or something like that. But he said they weren't very popular, so they did take that away. So now it's pretty much a unified menu across the fleet. So that's been episode 156 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.